In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Google Drive backup. If you've accumulated old device or app backups that you no longer need, clearing them out can free up storage and keep your Google Drive tidy. I'll walk you through the process step by step. And I'll also point out what to look for, so you delete the right backup with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and going to Drive. Google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you are in the one that actually holds the backup you want to remove, so you don't end up checking the wrong storage. Once you are in Google Drive, look at the left sidebar and click on Storage. This view shows how your space is being used and gives you access to backups. If your sidebar is minimized, expand it so you can see the storage option clearly. Give the page a moment to load everything. Large accounts can take a few seconds. At the top right corner of the storage page, click the Backups link. This opens a dedicated area that lists device and app backups associated with your account, such as Android device settings, call history, or certain app data. Unlike regular files and folders in Drive, backups live in this separate section, so you won't find them in My Drive. Now, locate the specific backup you want to remove. Check the name, device type, and date to be sure it's the one you no longer need. If you've upgraded phones or stopped using a particular device, its older backup is a good candidate for removal. When you are certain, right-click that backup and select Delete. This action targets only that backup. It won't affect your regular files, photos, or shared documents. A confirmation prompt will appear. This is an important safeguard because deleting a backup cannot be undone. Review the backup name one more time, and when you are ready, confirm by clicking Delete again. The backup will be removed from your account, immediately freeing up any storage it was using. Keep in mind that once a backup is deleted, you can't restore it later. If you still use the device tied to that backup, it may create a new backup in the future when it syncs, but the one you just removed is gone for good. That's all there is to it. Navigating to storage, opening backups, right-clicking the item, and confirming the deletion is the complete process. Thanks for watching.